Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this turkey. I'm going to go in first and just get kind of a basic body shape going here. So I'm just going to use the color putty for that, and I'm going to go in later and clean that up. So now I'm just going in and base coating each of his feathers, and I'm doing the color Colonel Mustard, Terracotta, and Barn Red. And then once I'm done getting those colors on there, I'm going to go in and just kind of clean up his body, round out his head, and I kind of make him like a bowling ball shaped body. Once that's done, I'm going to let everything dry completely and then go in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker and begin to outline each different section of him. Now I'm going to go back in with that color Colonel Mustard and Barn Red and add a nose and little gobbler. And I'm going to go in with that Barn Red color and just highlight on each of the feathers that aren't Barn Red, obviously. So I'm just using the different colors that I've used in his feathers to highlight each of my feathers. And now I'm going in with Terracotta to just add that to the yellow and red parts. And I just used a number 4 round for that. And now I'm going to go in and highlight on his chest, just using kind of like some waves, that number 4 round for that, and then using the color Colonel Mustard for his feet. And then I'm going to go in with my Sharpie marker again and do his eyes, some little eyelashes. I'm going to go in and kind of low light, I guess you could say, his white accents on his belly, outline his nose, feet, and beard, and then I'll highlight his nose and his beard with the color Cotton, and then that will complete him. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.